Hey, cutlery lover. I just saw your video about the oversized Zippo and your favorite Zippos. Uh, it was okay, except for one thing, and that is it made me sick to my stomach. The reason why is you forced us to listen to you sucking air through your cold or allergy-ridden nasal passages all the way through, and it was quite disgusting, to say the least. So, if you wouldn't mind, please take that one down, re-record it after you have taken an antihistamine or gotten over your cold or something. I hope you feel better soon. And do it over. And maybe we can actually listen to it without hurling. That's all I got. Thanks for your time. Gotta put some more fluid in this. 1962 Zippo, engraved Grace Henry. Love you, Grace, wherever you are. Got your lighter now. Bought it on eBay. Take care, all. Bye.